Hello, Big League here doing a review of the APEMAN. Literally, it's called the APEMAN. Where is that? Flash. And it's the SL-450C, as in C for Canon, Speedlite. And this is a 50 quid, 50 pounds flash. And I'm comparing this to the 430 EXII. And you see it's fairly similar in size. And this is just a tad shorter than this, than the 450. So now I wonder, why is it called the 450 when this is? So how Canon labels names their flashes is because 43 is actually the guide number. As in the guide number is just the distance at which the flash can reach at a particular setting. And this one is 52 apparently. So the model number has nothing to do with the guide number. Anyways, it comes with a nice case with an extension, little extension, which is very cool because it's extra storage. This is for batteries, spare set of batteries. And this also holds the Stolfen cup. Nice, it comes with a nice Stolfen cup. And it comes with a remote. Now this remote obviously is for the camera itself. It doesn't, why would you want to trigger this remotely? You know, this is for the camera, and then I guess it will trigger off that. And I have this under, this doesn't come with it. I have this in these flash triggers in here so I could press the button and I could show you the recycle time. Now that's one of the most important things about flashes. How fast can they recover from a full, I've placed this under full power now. The maximum power could burst out, and then how long it takes for the battery to recharge it back. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you saw that came back to 3 and it came back, and this took 4 seconds, just exactly what the description said. This is 4 seconds, this is 3 seconds. Now that's for full blast. I mean, for people who don't shoot at full blast, maybe quarter power, that might not matter as much. Let's set this to quarter power. See what happens. Quarter power. Okay. There we go. And let's set this. Okay, you see how that was easier on the other flash? I had to hold this thing down and then. Come on. Oh, did I miss the quarter power already? Come on. There we go. Quarter. Half. Sorry, I don't know my numbers. Here we go. Here we go. Quarter power. Okay, let's see the recovery time now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that was 1, 2. That was like, took 2 seconds. This was instant. Let's watch this again. 1, 2. This is instant. That took 2 seconds to recover. Okay. So let's do 1/8. Let's do 1/8. Now again, the reason why you need this is because what happens if you're shooting at a wedding and you're shooting in the dark, and you're limited not by the frame rates of your camera, but the flash, how fast it takes to recover that back. So 1/8 right now. That took 1 second. So 2 seconds for a quarter, 4 seconds for a full. So look, 1, 2. So you see that popping actually didn't come out from here. Let me just check. 1. Oh, okay. I apologize. Even though this was still blinking and I fired away. Maybe it still fires at full power. Let's go back to full power. And okay, I don't need to change this. Let's just adjust this to full power. 1. Yeah, this didn't go off. So that was fine. I mean, that means this pilot light is not accurate at all. Let's try quarter power, which is what I love to shoot at quarter power. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me just turn this off for a second. Okay. 2. Yeah, it was fine. It was instant. 1, 2, 4. Yeah, it's instant. Even though it's like blinking, the light is instant. So at quarter power, it's instant. Let's try half power. Okay, I'm having it half power. Yep, that's also instant as well. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's just that full blast, it takes 4 seconds. Yeah, so this is misleading. You saw it pop even though the pilot light keeps on blinking. Anyways, I've taken way too much time just talking about recycle time because that's just to me is the essence of it. This thing has TTL. S1 is actually a optical flash. So S2 is also an optical flash with TTL as well. If this is TTL, this could trigger this off. But once it's in S1 and S2, it's actually manual flash. You got to control the power based on that. So you could control the power. See, it's not when it's under remote, it's not TTL at all. And what I mean by TTL, as in it's the automatic flash, and how it does it, it actually fires a pre-flash and it determines how bright the room is. And then when it figures that out with the pre-flash, it then shoots off the main flash. So it gives off 2 bits of light. And if you have an optical trigger, this is optical receiver, you don't want for it to trigger off. You could select to trigger off at the pre-flash or at the main flash. So this knows how to ignore the pre-flash. So let's just test this. Right, I will pop this and this should pop as well. Let's see. Yep, it did. So I popped this and this optical picked it up. I mean, this thing wouldn't trigger this at all. So that worked. Okay, so I would say for 50 pounds, not bad. I like how you could rotate this around. You don't have to press the button. You could simply rotate it. One small gripe is that the focus thing is a little misaligned. It's circular. It shoots out a star-shaped thing. So, I mean, if you were to shoot at a certain angle, it's centered. But if you if you shoot at an angle like this, it somehow centers back to where your center point is. But if you shoot flat, the thing is kind of like located on over here rather than the center, as in the laser that's used for focusing in the dark when this is shot out. That's what I meant. Okay, taking way too much time here. Hope you enjoyed the review. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment box below.